In a world that never really seems to slow down, it's easy to forget just how much we need moments just like this. The quiet and the simple. The things we often pass by without really noticing. Moments like this remind us what really matters. There's something about being outside that makes everything feel just a little lighter. No rush, no noise, just being present for a little while. Maybe that's what we need more of. Not more things, just more moments like this. This is what Hoddo's Hive is all about. Slowing down and finding comfort in the everyday. From our hive to yours, remember, stay cozy.